शेताचे आधुनिकीकरण करपा खातीर ड्रोन तंत्रज्ञानाचो चड प्रभावी उपेग जावचो हे खातीर राज्य सरकारान पावलां उबारल्यात. ड्रोनाच्या आधारान किटकनाशकांचो फवारो मारप, बियो पेरप तशेंच पिकाचेर नदर दवरपाक मेळटली. ही कामां अचूक आनी उण्या खर्चात जातली अशी माहिती कृषी खात्याचे उपसंचालक प्रसन्ना गोवेकरान दिली. ड्रोन चलोवपाचें खासा प्रशिक्षण दितले तशेंच पावसान ज्या शेतकारांचें लुकसाण जालां तांकां लुकसाण भरपाय दितले अशी माहिती गोवेकरान दिल्या.
Which has come from ITI Limited Bangalore, and ITI Limited is India's first post-independence PSU. It was formed in 1948, and we have the entire country's infrastructure for rural communication to be set up by ITI Limited for BSNL. So BSNL and ITI Limited are part of the same ministry. That's what it is.
So what is the special project that you all have?
This particular project is something which is being driven by the agricultural department of the state of Goa. This initiative is being done in multiple states. Of course, it is at a concept stage at the moment, but I'm sure Goa is going to end up being the first state to adapt because it's a smaller state. We are talking, of course, to Himachal and Punjab and other places. Yeah, but they have vast land banks. Plus, the decision making obviously is going to be longer. But here with Mr. Prasanna Kumar and Mr. Desai at the helm, I'm sure we are going to have a situation where the decision making is going to be fast. One of the basic deliverables for this particular project is, for a moment, not talking about the drone. For a moment, not talking about what we are doing on the technical side of it, because technical side of it will require a lot of 1 or 2 hours of explanation. The basic delivery that happens out of this is the income of the farmer is going to grow at least double if not more, because he is going to have the right information at the right time, right? And this is being driven, as I said, by the agriculture department of the state, and that's where we are. The central government has got all schemes, but the interesting part is that agriculture being a state subject, it has to be driven by the state. And when you have the state driving it with initiative like what it is being done, yesterday we went to Chinchinim. There was also very receptive audience there. The local people had also come there, and Mr. Prasanna Kumar is driving this entire initiative at ground zero with us along with his team, and that's where we are.
जितना आता कस्टम हायरिंग ते ट्रॅक्टर आम्ही हायर करता किंवा ट्रान्सप्लांटिंग हायर करता, तसे एक गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाचे डिपार्टमेंट हांगा येयले आसा ITI लिमिटेड. सो तेंचे विचार आसा पळय, फार्मरान हे ड्रोन घेन आसतना एक पंचायतीन आपूण ते ड्रोन दवरतले, विकपाना. ड्रोन धरून 1-2 जणांक ते ट्रेन करतले, ट्रेन करून शेतकाराक ड्रोन सर्वीस दिवपाक पळयता. So that is the main concept of this demonstration. एल नॅनो इफेक्ट आसा, ते इफेक्ट खातीर इट इज आमी ते पेपरान सुद्दां वाचला, इवन आमी न्यूसान आयकता दॅट रेनफॉल वील बी वेरी लेस. सो डिपार्टमेंट वील बी कंपन्सेटींग फॉर दॅट लॉस कितें आसा पळय, दॅट आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू कमेंट मच ऑन दॅट बिकॉज इट इज स्टील अंडर प्रोसेस एंड ऑल. सो एज ऑफ नाव वी हॅव सीन पळयला आमी पावस खूब कमी आसा, सो खुबशे ट्रान्सप्लांटींग जाले दॅट पॅडी इज अंडर स्ट्रेस कंडिशन नाव. बट डिपार्टमेंट वील डू द बेस्ट विथ द पॉझिशन.